Unlock passive income. Create viral AI-generated shorts for free. You've probably seen those viral Minecraft parkour shorts, with millions of views going around the internet. Did you know that these creators are making thousands every month just by using AI? But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content on automating your career. What exactly are AI-generated shorts? With advancements in technology, we now have access to tools that can generate unique and captivating content with just a few clicks. Today, we'll guide you through the process of creating these shorts and turning them into a source of passive income. Step 1. Finding your tools. These easy AI videos only take a few tools, all completely free. There are several AI platforms out there that make it easy for creators to generate content. But my favorites are OpenAI's GPT-3 for creating scripts and 11 Labs for generating high-quality AI voice models. Step 2. Find your niche. Having a clear niche will help you target the right audience. This is crucial for building an engaged viewer base. For this tutorial, we will be covering how to make a scary story Minecraft TikTok. However, any viral niche would work. Step 3. Create engaging scripts. Now let's talk about creating engaging scripts. Even though AI is generating the content, you'll need to provide it with a strong foundation. Develop scripts that align with your niche and evoke emotions. Remember, the better the script, the more captivating your AI-generated shorts will be. Linked in the description, I have provided a prompt that will generate scripts perfect for 11 Labs to use. This prompt will generate a script for a creepypasta storytelling in Reddit post style. Step 4. Generating an AI voiceover. Go over to 11labs.io to generate the highest quality, free, text-to-speech voiceovers. Select any voice you like. I'm going to use Adam. Paste your AI script into the text box and select Generate to create your voiceover. Super simple and easy. Step 5. Visuals. For this niche, high-quality Minecraft parkour has proven to have gone viral thousands of times, so that is what we will use. We know you don't have the time to get this footage for yourself. However, it is easy to go to YouTube and search 4K Minecraft parkour footage. Here you will find free high-quality videos that you can download from any YouTube to MP4 service. Step 6. Editing. Most viral shorts are created using an editing software called CapCut. CapCut is a completely free, easy-to-use editing software that incorporates AI to generate subtitles. So powerful, in fact, that it rivals industry-standard editing software like Premiere Pro. In fact, this video that you are watching right now is edited using CapCut. Firstly, import your downloaded voiceover from 11 Labs and your Minecraft footage. Next, press the ratio button and select 9:16. Finally, navigate to the text button. Select Auto Captions and press Create. This will create your captions used in so many viral videos. Step 7. Monetize your shorts. There are various ways to monetize your AI-generated shorts. You can leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to share your content and earn ad revenue. Additionally, consider licensing your shorts for commercial use or even offering personalized shorts for clients. The possibilities are vast, and there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money and generating passive income through AI-generated shorts. The key is to unleash your creativity and explore the potential of AI tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep creating and innovating. If you want more content on unlocking passive income, be sure to subscribe to That AI Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.